Hey guys, in this video we will give you a brief explanation on how to pair E300 Bluetooth earbuds. Please make sure the charging case has enough power. And turn on the Bluetooth on your device. Then take the left earbud out of the charging case. The indicator light alternately flashes orange-white. It means this earbud enters into Bluetooth pairing mode automatically. On your phone, choose E300 to pair. You will see Connected if your device connects with the earbud. Since this device is memorized, it will be connected after 5 to 10 seconds automatically when turning on the earbuds. To make the right earbud the main earbud by the system default, put both earbuds back into the charging case. Then, take out the right earbud and long press for 7 seconds. The indicator light alternately flashes orange-white. It means this earbud enters into Bluetooth pairing mode automatically. To play music in your device, first of all, take both earbuds out of the charging case and make sure your earbuds are connected to your device. One press to play the music. And one press to pause. To go to the next song, press twice. Now with your right earbud, you can turn down and up your volume. Press 1 to go down, press 2 to go up. To receive a call, take your left earbud and press 1. To transfer your call from your earbud to your mobile, press twice. And to end the call, press 1 again. Calling Siri and turning off your earbuds. Take the left earbud and hold for 1 second. Then Siri will be activated. To turn both of your earbuds off, press long and they will be off.